Hey guys, we're at the hatchery. So if any of y'all live in Somerville, Charleston, and you want to come up to the lakes, the hatchery is probably what most of y'all have put in your boat or come up here to fish. This is a spot that has over, I think it's 2,200 acres of prime fishing. And it's kind of shallow up in there, so it makes it perfect for your crappie, your brim, and your bass, and even catfish whenever they come up into the shallows. It's got dikes around it and islands all around it that make up this fantastic little estuary. People love to come and fish here, so and it's huge. You can see here it's got all kinds of parking in this place. It's quite popular. Now this is a Saturday, and it's a Saturday afternoon, so some people's already went home, but it's quite popular, so that's good for some of y'all. Now, if y'all are afraid to put your boat in the water in front of people, it's very possible that you want a secluded landing, but if you are worried about your trailer getting stolen, tires, or car broken into, you might want to stay at one of these popular boat ramps that have a lot of traffic. So this place is fantastic. You got places for kids too. Like, look at all this down here. I'm gonna see if you can see this. All the spots here for people to fish. So some people will just sit on the bank, on this bank here, and they'll fish, or they'll be over there fishing, and you can go over across there. This is a fantastic place for people to come out with their kayaks. There's a lot of kayak tours that check out the hatchery. You got two entrances to the walking path, the hike around here. So you got one that's up at the front, that's down the dike, and that's about 3 miles till you get all the way to the end. And then you have the one that's, I'll show you here in a minute. So if you can see over there in that corner, that back corner, there's another way that you can get to a pretty cool beach. So, and then over here is the landing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take y'all there now. So it's got a pretty good dock here that you'll be able to moor up your boat after you put in. And if you look, now some people will fish off of this thing, but just watch out for the boaters. And I'm going to show y'all. It has a two-lane boat ramp. It's not bad. I can't tell you how far the concrete goes down, but it looks like it goes far enough to get your boat in, and the water's a little bit low right now. So we're going to take a little walk down the path, and I'm going to show you all down at the beach. Now this path, kind of a dike that goes all the way down the edge of the canal. They probably built that up whenever they dug out the canal, and we're going to take a walk down there now. Now this entire area right here is fantastic for just taking a hike. And there's also all kinds of spots on the right that would allow you to be able to fish. All right, I'm all the way at the point here. It was a nice little walk. I'm going to show you around. It's pretty fun. A lot of spots down here for you to be able to fish. A couple guys over here catching some fish. You can kind of see them off from a distance. I don't want to bother them. See them over there? See the line out right there. So they're doing pretty good. All right, I'm gonna sneak down one of our little local paths. Not everybody knows about, but if you look for it, you can find this one right here. And I don't even know if I want to show you where it's at, but it's a fun little trip. Anyways, it's not like it's mine. Fun little place though. Here, I'm gonna turn you around so you can see it. Hey guys, we're gonna do a detour real quick. I'm walking backwards. All right, I was in the middle of a video and I didn't want to stop, but I'm gonna go ahead and stop because this is the kind of crap that just tans my hide. You see this crap? Hey, I like a brewski too, man, but don't leave it out here in our woods. So every time you come out and you're fishing, yeah, join the code, man. You take out what you bring in, and if you can, try to take one thing out each time. And I'm taking this can with me. Now would y'all look at that? What a fun little boat. Or I'm sorry, a little beach. Yes, sir. Fun place. Hey, and if you catch it at the right time, there ain't nobody out here and you and your family can just have a good little time. But right now, there's a family to beat me here. But that's okay, it's got plenty of room. And this right here is one of the other paths, and it says don't enter, but that means automobiles. You can't take an ATV or anything. You just got to bring your sandals or your shoes or your flip-flops. But that right there is going down the dike. Let's go.